In this Oracle database tutorial, we will learn how to change parameters with the alter system command. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I start the database by connecting to the SQL command line. I will show how a parameter can be changed. For example, let's change the processes parameter. We can see the value of the parameter with the show parameter command. Processes parameter is 600. I will set the parameter to 800. To do this, I will use the alter system command. The alter system command can be used with SP file, memory, or both. Static parameters can only be changed with the alter system SP file. Dynamic parameters can be changed with alter system SP file, memory, or both. So how do we know whether a parameter is static or dynamic? Using this query, we can see whether a particular parameter is static or dynamic. I edit the SQL format setting. The modifiable column can have the value false, immediate, or deferred. The modifiable column has the value false. Therefore, the processes parameter is a static parameter. If the column had the value immediate or deferred, the parameter would be a dynamic parameter. Since the processes parameter is a static parameter, it can only be set with the SP file. Let's run the alter system command. Since we set it with SP file, the change will occur when the database is closed and opened. The change hasn't happened yet. I close and reopen the database. We set the processes parameter to 800. Now let's change a dynamic parameter. The max idle time parameter is a dynamic parameter. Because the modifiable column has the value immediate. Therefore, the alter system command can be used with SP file, memory, or both options. I set the maximum idle time value to 10 with the memory option. The change took place without closing and reopening the database. But the change was not set permanently, because no changes were made to the SP file. When I close and reopen the database, the change will be lost. Let's test it now. I close and reopen the database. The change is lost. Now let's use the alter system command with both. The change was made in memory and SP file. The changes will not be lost even if the database is closed and reopened. Let's test it now. I close and reopen the database. The change is not lost. I recommend you to watch the next Oracle database lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.